Hi all, this is chapter on coordinate geometry. It is chapter 11. It's a really nice chapter. You'll be really good at it in no time. So just for today, I want you to kind of recap or get used to working with a coordinate plane, which is this here. So from science, you might already know, like this axis here is your x-axis, and the vertical one is your y-axis. Always label these, get into the habit of labeling them. Okay, so in science we often just work with this line here and this line here. And we would label or plot our points like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And same going up. So if you need to pause this video at any time to do this, please do. So obviously below 1 is 0 and below this one is 0. So this point here is 0. It is called the origin. Okay. Now, so below 0 comes -1, just like on a number line. And so on. Now try your best, like if you have graph paper or squares, to make the numbers evenly spread apart. Okay, and same going down. So below 0 is -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. All right, you won't always have to draw this, but just for now, I want to make sure we cover everything. Okay, so for coordinate geometry, you could be asked to plot points, okay, coordinates. Like in a map, you might have done it in geography. So, first example, we're going to plot the point A, which is 4, 5. So that's just a random one that I've come up with. So where is 4, 5? So you always go to the first number is on the x-axis. So it's this 4 here, not this 4. Okay, so just out of practice, we're going to put this is the x-axis and this is the y. You won't always have to label them like this, but for now I would like you to just to get into the habit. The first number is always on the x-axis and the second number is on the y-axis. So where is point A? So here's 4 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. So it is where the two of them meet. Now don't draw a line. Okay, we don't do that anymore. You would have done it in primary school. We don't do it anymore. You can use your graph paper to guide you. So there is point A. Okay, next one we'll do point B, -1, 3. So this is on the x-axis and this is on the y. -1 on the x-axis and 3 on the y. So here is point B. Point C, I'm going to do -3, -4. So -3 on the x-axis, -4 on the y. So here's our x-axis, go all the way down to -3, and then our y-axis we're going to -4. So point C is here. And point D, I will do 4, -2. So 4 on the x-axis, -2 on the y. So over to 4 on the x-axis and down to -2 on the y, and that is point D. Okay, the next thing you could be given is you'd be given the coordinates and asked to write down what are the numbers associated with it. So for example, I'm going to call this E. What is point E? E is 2 on the x-axis and 2 on the y. Okay, another one. We'll go here. I'll call this point F. So pause the video for a minute and try to write down the coordinates for point F. What is it? So go to your x-axis first. The first number is -4, and on the y-axis it is 1. So -4, 1. Now people often ask, does it matter which one comes first? So if you said, okay, F is 1 minus 4. Where's 1 minus 4? 1 minus 4. That's not F. So it does matter which number you give first. You have to give the number on the x-axis first and then the number on the y. One more. I'll call this G. So again, pause the video and trying to write down the coordinates for G. So on the x-axis, G is at 2, and on the y-axis, G is at -4. So this coordinate is 2 minus 4. Okay, I hope that explains it okay for you guys, and there'll be a few questions in your book for you to do.